Good afternoon. Today I'm gonna make some macaroni and cheese. That's the bottom. I'm gonna make a roots. A little flour, a little bit of roots. This is a bottom flour making a roots for the mac and cheese. So that mac and cheese can get a nice creamy body. Alright. This is the milk. Let this cook a little bit and then I'll come back and show you the next step. A little pepper. Alright. This is all the ingredients we add. One of this can, 1 bottle of milk. This is 2 cups. We add 1 cup. This 1/2 a cup. And this 1 cup. And this 1/2 a cup. If we need more, we're gonna add more, okay? This is the cheese. Oh, we want to pour the cheese in. I'm gonna let it melt in it. I'm gonna add a little more milk. Nice and cheesy. That's look perfect right there. That's the cheese sauce. There we have it. And we add 1 cup of sharp cheddar on the pack. We have half. I'm gonna take some of this out. I'm gonna add the macaroni that I make earlier. I'm gonna show you. I'll put a little black pepper. Okay. Add a little food coloring. A little color. Add the noodles now. Get the rest of the mac and cheese. And that's it, guys. Look at this mac and cheese, nice and creamy. All right, that's all my kids. They like